Hey everyone, today we will discuss how we can prevent algae invasion in aquariums by using plants. Hi, myself Aqua Hobby. I am a hobbyist and have been keeping fishes and planted tanks over 11 years. Fish keeping and aquascaping has become my passion, and today we will discuss preventive measures to avoid algae invasion in your aquariums. In my earlier video, I discussed fish which helps to remove algae from aquarium. But in this video, we will discuss a unique way to prevent algae invasion in your aquarium. The method is not new and had been in use since the birth of fish keeping hobby, but nowadays I hardly see any aquarist using this method. The method is simply to use a very fast growing plant in your aquarium, which doesn't need any substrate, can take up nutrients from water column. Algae normally invades when there is an imbalance in your aquarium. The root cause of imbalance in most of the cases can be divided into two main reasons. Number one, excessive light in comparison to the amount of plants present in aquarium. Number two, too much nutrients in water column causing algae bloom. Now please note, there can be other reasons for having algae in your aquarium as well, but for the time being I am going to focus to the main two reasons. In both cases, introduction of fast growing plants which can take up nutrients from the water column will resolve the issue, or will not even allow algae to get its foothold. Ceratopteris thalictroides or water sprite is such plant. It's a fast growing fern which doesn't require any substrate. You can float this plant or even tie it with driftwood. The plant in presence of CO2 grows super fast, takes up all the excess nutrients from the water column and casts shadow on remaining plants. This prevents algae from growing or settling in your aquarium. Please note, here I specifically mentioned the usage of CO2 or carbon dioxide. In my 11 years of experience, I observed that it's far easier to combat algae in aquariums if you have pressurized CO2 system. This makes your aquascaping easy. Let's take a detailed look at my aquarium and let me explain how water sprite is preventing algae in my fish tank. Upper 1/3 portion of my aquarium is almost covered with water sprite, which grow super fast. This plant provides shade to my slow growing trident ferns, bouquet flounder and anubias, as well as takes up all the excess nutrients from water column. Algae never has a chance to establish in my aquarium. I do have to trim water sprite heavily each weekend, but after each trim, the plant comes back more strong and vibrant. As we are speaking about water sprite or Ceratopteris thalictroides, let's discuss about their care. This fern is widespread across various tropical regions of the globe. Example, India, Bangladesh, Vietnam, Madagascar, etc. It can be used as floating plants as well as tied with a driftwood and submerged into water. It's preferred to be used as a background plants due to its fast growing nature and leaf texture. The plant can grow from 4 cm to 60 cm. They will do very well if you have CO2 injection in your aquarium. Without CO2, their growth will be slow. This plant can withstand pH ranging from 5 to 9, temperature ranging from 15 degrees Celsius to 28 degrees Celsius. Like other ferns, this plant will create small plantlets which will detach from main plant and propagate. If you trim and replant the trimmed plants, in most of the cases they will grow to a new plant. If you are a beginner in planted aquarium, then I'll highly suggest this plant. Even these plants can be used as non-planted tank as floaters. They will uptake nutrients from water and provide refuge to fishes. I hope this video will help you in your planted tank ventures. Please subscribe to my channel if you like my content. See you in next video. Take care. Have a safe time. Goodbye.